Hi all, welcome to Unit 1 Physiology with Hannah Knight. So in today's lesson we'll be looking at muscle fibre types and characteristics. So we know that all skeletal muscles are made up from muscle fibres, and there are 3 muscle fibre types that we need to know of. The mix of fibres vary from individual to individual. However, we will only be learning about 3 specific muscle fibres and why they are used. So the majority of muscle fibre types are inherited, however we can train and adapt these, so making them more efficient. So can you list the names of the 3 different muscle fibres? Have a go. So we should have type 1 slow twitch oxidative, type 2A fast twitch oxidative, and type 2X fast twitch glycolytic. So you can call them either by their type 1, 2A, 2X names, or you can call them by the names in the brackets. So in terms of these 3 muscle fibre types, do you know when they are recruited? Are they recruited first, second or third? Can you recall any sporting examples or any advantages and disadvantages? Pause the video and attempt to complete this table with the knowledge that you currently have. So the body recruits a minimum amount of muscle fibres to complete a task. Muscle fibres react to the demand made on them depending on the type of exercise. So what order do we think? What did we write down? So if we have a look at this table, or this graph, you can see that on the y-axis we've got muscle fibre recruitment, on the x-axis we have exercise intensity. So we recruit muscle fibres based on the intensity. So as intensity of exercise increases, muscle fibre recruitment moves from slow twitch, that's type 1, to fast twitch, that's type 2A and type 2X. So if you take a look at the graph, you can see it's represented here. So if we have 0% of exercise intensity here, as it increases this exercise intensity, we are entering or recruiting type 1 muscle fibre. Eventually we recruit type 2A as exercise gets more intense, and then we recruit type 2X when we are at a high intensity. So just as a